It's a 2015 Lexus ES350. This ES350 is state-of-the-art in the art of the arrival. The crafted elegance and athletic performance give you a luxury sedan others won't soon forget. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, leather steering wheel, front wheel drive, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection reports, thanks to a quicker steering ratio and retuned suspension, the ES models feel slightly sportier from behind the wheel without sacrificing passenger comfort. It's still just as plush and quiet as ever. Lexus, performance in every detail. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.